Hi there, my name is Jason Perkins. I'm a Georgia workers' compensation attorney. I'd like to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia workers' compensation video series. I created this series to provide you with helpful information about the rules of Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits available to you under it. Today I want to talk to you about a particular part of your workers' compensation case that generally is the end of your case, and that's settlement of your case. Now, settlement is not anything that you ever have to do. It's an important thing to understand. The insurance company can't make you settle. A workers' compensation judge can't make you settle. Your attorney shouldn't make you settle. Settlement is something that's completely voluntary and up to you, and you're the final decision maker about that. But I'm going to talk to you about if you're going to consider settlement, how do you make sure that you get a fair workers' compensation settlement? In order to look at that question, you really need to understand how most insurance companies look at settlement of workers' compensation cases. To the insurance company, settlement's a business decision. Most insurance companies are businesses that are in business to make money. And your workers' compensation case is costing the insurance company money. So just like you don't have to settle, the insurance company does not have to settle either. In Georgia workers' compensation cases, there's no way that you can go to court and force the insurance company to settle for a certain amount of money. So any settlement is going to be a negotiation, and the question is, how do you get the insurance company to agree to pay you the most money in settlement? Well, again, the insurance company is making a business decision, and they're comparing their option of settling your case to what happens if they don't settle your case, and they just leave your case open. What's that going to cost them? So in order to make sure that you receive a fair settlement of a workers' compensation case, you really need to convince the insurance company that your case is going to cost a lot of money if it stays open, because that's what's going to convince them that they should pay more money in settlement rather than just leaving your case open and not settling with you. Now, convincing the insurance company of that can be difficult. You're going to have to understand Georgia workers' compensation law. You're going to have to understand all the benefits that are available and what treatment's going to cost in the future, what future benefits from being out of work are worth, whether your case could possibly qualify for a catastrophic designation or not, the limits that are available in Georgia workers' compensation law and the exception to those limits. So you generally want to have a good understanding of those, or have an attorney that represents you who has a very good understanding of those, in order to make sure that the insurance company is fair with you on settlement. Because the insurance company is a business, they're probably going to want to settle your case for as little as possible. So even if they were willing to pay up to a certain amount of money to settle, if they can convince you to take less, they're probably going to try to do that, because ultimately that saves them money, and it is a business, they make more money if they save money. So just be sure that you make a good decision about settlement, or that you talk to or hire an attorney to represent you so you can make sure that you make a good decision. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have, please let me know. The best and easiest way to do that is by giving this video a thumbs up or by liking it. If you've got other questions about workers' compensation law in Georgia, I'd encourage you to visit our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation YouTube channel, where you can view all the videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. You can also subscribe there to be notified of future videos as they come out. If you've got some specific questions about settlement or any other issue in your workers' compensation case, a free consultation is normally the best way to get those questions answered. You can set up a free consultation with me in one of two easy ways. You can contact my office at the phone number that's on the bottom of the screen, and someone will speak with you and get a consultation set up for you. Or you can visit our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com, where you can complete and submit the free consultation request form that's there, and we'll get one scheduled for you. Thanks again for watching today, and I wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.